Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a personal finance book written by Robert Kiyosaki and Sharon Lechter. It advocates for financial literacy and the importance of acquiring assets, rather than just focusing on earning a high income. The book is based on Kiyosaki's own experiences growing up, where he had two fathers, his biological father, who was highly educated but financially struggling, and his best friend's father, who was not well educated but financially successful. Through his experiences with these two men, Kiyosaki learned valuable lessons about money, investing, and financial literacy. The main message of Rich Dad, Poor Dad is that people should strive to become financially literate, so that they can make informed decisions about their money and build wealth over time. The book encourages readers to focus on acquiring assets, such as stocks, real estate, or businesses, which can generate passive income and help them build wealth. It also emphasizes the importance of having a positive attitude towards money, and encourages readers to take calculated risks in order to achieve financial success. The book also discusses the concept of financial intelligence, which is defined as the ability to understand and make informed decisions about money. Kiyosaki argues that financial intelligence is just as important as traditional forms of intelligence, such as intellectual or emotional intelligence, and that it is something that can be learned and developed over time. Overall, Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a personal finance book that advocates for financial literacy and the importance of acquiring assets in order to build wealth. It encourages readers to take a proactive approach to managing their money, and to continuously seek out opportunities to improve their financial intelligence.